Alright, let's dive into it. So I will walk you through installing SafeLine. It's a web application firewall. It is a self-hosted um, WAF for your application. So to start, we will need a container. So let's go to container templates. And if you don't have any templates ready, so you could just download it here, or we could just search for Debian. So Debian 13 is the one that we will be using. So right now I have a copy of it. So let's create a new container. So for our host name should be SafeLine. So let's just indicate test. Okay, then we'll set a root password for it. So password. Next, we'll select our template. So Debian 13. Then for our disk size, we'll just set it to 50 for now. CPU, say we'll be using 2 cores. Memory, let's just say I have 8 gigabytes of memory. For network, we'll be using the VMware. Okay, so for IPv4, we'll set our static address. So for me, it's 10.1.40. Say 55, then under 24. So our gateway will be so for IPv4, this is the primary address that you will be using. It depends on your network or how you set it up. So right now I have 10.1.40, and that 55 will be dedicated to SafeLine. And this is my gateway. So let's hit next. DNS, just leave it blank for now. Confirm, then right. Okay, so after installing the template, we'll proceed to install Docker to it. So let's initialize it. All right, so for our credentials, we'll be using root and the password that we've set. All right, so first things first, update and apt upgrade. So it's just update environment. Okay, after updating, we will install a couple of things. The certificates, kernel GNU. I believe the full scripts in the descriptions below, so you could easily copy paste it on your environment as well. All right, then install, let's say, CA certificates. We'll install kernel, GNU-PG, and let's be release. All right. Then after that, we will install the key rings for it. Okay, install and browser 5 it's under etc. Alright, etc apt and rings. Yep. Then after that, we will get the Docker's GPG. So, and update its permissions. Right. Then let's get the set this up. Right. Let's update it once more. Then after updating it, we will install Docker now. Right. So let's install Docker. All right, so after installing Docker, we will be initializing the Docker. So enable the Docker that service, right? Then start. Right. Okay, so after that, we'll go to SafeLine's documentation and check for the deployment. So here's the suggested or recommended installation. So we'll just copy this line and paste it on our console. So right, so we're here on SafeLine installation. So we'll select one for install, and we'll just leave it blank for default. Okay, all right. So installation was done. So let's just copy the link for the SafeLine. All right, proceed. So you could check the software license agreement. Okay, so we're here at the login page, but before that, we'll need to get the administrator password account. Sorry. So it's under here. So let's go back to the Docker. Paste. All right. Then it should give us new credentials for the login. All right. So once we've got that, we just need to copy our password for the administrator account. So admin paste, let's check. All right. Then login. So we've successfully installed SafeLine. So first things first, we need to go to settings management. Then let's change our password to even more secure. So our password, say password 12, right? Then confirm. It should automatically log out. Then let's log in once again. Password. Okay. So we've set it up. So let's add a new application. All right. So right now I have most secured web application. So it's a Juice Shop. So you could just copy it on Docker Hub. So here we have this website. So we'll be securing this website using SafeLine. So let's add an application. Right, just select or any specific domain. So for now, since we're using local, we use asterisk. So we'll not be using 443. So right, but you could add 443 or any other secure method. So you could just integrate your SSL certificate here. So, but for now, for the sake of testing, so we'll be using port 80. We set the juice shop's IP address here on the SafeLine port 80. All right, then set our application name. So juice shop. Right, then submit. Right. So after that, we are proxying our secure website. So to check that, we will need to go to our SafeLine's IP address and use the port that we've set, which is 80. So it should host our juice shop, right? So as you can see here, for under statistics, sorry, we've already have certain requests and visitors, which is me. All right, then how we test if SafeLine is securing our website? So let's trigger XSS here. All right. So some basic payload. Okay. So as you can see, the SafeLine blocks the request. So access forbidden by SafeLine WAF. So if we go back to our dashboard, we can see that we have two views, right? And let's go here under attacks. Alright, logs. You can see here that our attempt to do some malicious things on the web page was blocked. To see the full details, you could actually check it here as well. And one thing I like is to check the IP info. So IP info is to check for any certain malicious threat actors. So here, yeah, all right. So you can see, yeah, it's a private IP, so it's gonna show something here. So, but yeah, it's one feature that I like here. So yeah, I think that's it.